Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today, I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to style my hair, which is my twist out routine. Now, I have low porosity hair, which means my hair is very hard to moisturize. The shaft of my hair is very, very tightly packed, so it's hard for moisture to get in. So the way that I apply the products to my hair is really important, because if I do it incorrectly, my hair will not absorb the moisture and it'll just sit on my hair like a skin, and it will look very bad. So I'm going to show you my twist out routine. If you like this video, if this video is helpful to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you never miss another video ever again. Before we start, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you so much. And now, let's jump in. So, the way that I like to apply my product is I dilute it. Okay? Because I found when I dilute the product with water, as my hair dries, my hair will soak up the moisture. And the longer my hair takes to dry, the more moisturized my hair ends up being. Why? I have no clue. I just know that it works. So the only product that I'm going to be using is this Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Milk for thick curly hair, hydrate, smooth, defrizz stuff. And this is what it looks like. So I put this into a spray bottle with warm water. Shake it up. This is the only product that I use, and this is how I apply it, in the spray bottle with water. It's diluted, and it gets absorbed into my hair a lot better this way, I have found. So, when I do twist outs, first of all, I don't do regular twists. I don't do the 2-strand twist, okay? That's beginner stuff, all right? We're pros here, people. We do 3-strand twist outs. Let me tell you why. The reason is because 3-strand twist outs create a more defined curl, okay? So if you like twist outs, but you want them to be more defined, try doing a 3-strand twist out. I'm going to show you how to do it, because it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So I will take a section of my hair. I have thin hair, so this might look like a big section, but once my hair gets wet, it just, you'll see. But if you have thicker hair than I do, you might want to take a smaller section, which is fine. And also when I do twist outs, wow, you're doing a lot right now. When I do twist outs, I usually only do 4 sections, because I like the twists to be kind of loose, kind of like mermaid waves, instead of like really tight, defined twists. But if you want them more defined, then use smaller sections. So I take the section and I just saturate it with my mixture all over. Rub it in, keep spraying. This is gonna make my hair slippery enough to detangle, which is also what we want. Because if you try and twist your hair without detangling it, trust me, it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna be smooth, and your curls or your twists, it's not gonna turn out well. Trust me, I've been through this before. I made the mistakes, so you guys don't have to. So, now that we are saturated, I am just going to detangle gently, of course. Thankfully my hair isn't too tangled, even though I haven't really touched it in about a week. Since, what, like Saturday, I think. But it's fine. It's fine. So, once I have my hair detangled, I take my, I'm just gonna clean this out. Give me a second. Okay, so, plot twist. I broke my paddle brush, so we're not gonna be able to use that in this video. But if we were, this is when I would use it. Okay, so let's say, for the sake of this video, that I've brushed my hair. I've smoothed it out. I've distributed all the product evenly through my hair using my paddle brush that's not broken. It's fine. So this is when I would knock over my spray bottle. This is when I would start to twist. So I'm going to try to explain this as best I can. So you see the section. Oh my god. You're going to split the section into 3. So 1, 2, 3. Yes? Cool. So now you are going to start the twist, but you're going to start it as if you were going to braid. So we're going to take this outside one and put it over the middle. Take the outside one, put it over the middle. One more time, outside one, over the middle. Just like as if you were starting a braid. This is when it gets a little tricky. Then you are going to take the outside one, instead of crossing it over the middle, you're going to twist it. So then you have this. And then you're going to take the outside one again on the same side, and you're going to twist it. Outside, twist it. Outside, twist it. Outside, twist it. Outside, twist. And twist. And twist. And twist. And twist. And then you have this 3-strand twist. And like I said, I like doing this because the curl comes out more defined, but also because there's 3 strands instead of 2, the twists actually stay better. So once I finish this, I can leave it just like I would leave a braid and it won't come undone, which is really good for me because sometimes I don't have time to like twist it up and pin it to my head or put a rubber band on it. Like, who has time for that? No one. And then you just continue to do that all the way down. So you can see how it looks different from a regular twist, but it also looks different from a braid. So it's not a braid, but it's also not a 2-strand twist. It's a 3-strand twist. Yay! So then I just do this all the way around my head. Okay, you guys, so that is actually it for my twist out routine. I just wait for them to dry and then I take them out in the morning, and I'm gonna insert, well actually my thumbnail is usually what they end up looking like, and then I'll insert a picture after the video as well so you can see. But yeah, this is basically it, and I will usually do this before I'll do a wash and go, just because wash and go is just, I mean, I'll do them if I absolutely have to, but twist outs are my favorite thing to do with my hair. This is ridiculous. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I upload videos every single day. Actually, for the rest of October, I'll be uploading 3 videos a day. So, you don't want to miss out on that. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Thank you to the 81 people out there who are subscribed to my channel. You are awesome. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye. If you missed my last video on how I detangle my hair, I will go ahead and link it here. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit my face and hit that big red button, or hit the subscribe button right below this video. Bye guys.